I'm just casually driving, and an aggressive guy in the 7 Series come cutting thinking he's so fast. So I'm like, all right. I'm in the 2016 TLX V6. Look, he ain't even going nowhere. I'm pulling on him. He in a $100,000 BMW. Ain't going nowhere. Look, he think he can get out of there. I'm just not even pushing it for real. But I'm gonna run him back down. Look, he think he going somewhere. Look, he flooring it. I'm running him back down. Look. 100,000. Because he thought he was gonna leave a lower 45,000 10-year-old car.